With Planner, you can collaborate on a project with a team, see progress reports, and track individual assignments. To open Planner, select the App Launcher, All Apps, then Planner. Use Pin to Launcher to keep Planner at the top level. Planner works with Office 365 groups. When you create a plan in Planner, a new group is created with the same name, unless you add the plan to an existing group. Select a plan in the Planner Hub from your Recent Plans or All Plans lists, or add your plan to Favorites for a quick view of plan status. You can also add a Planner tab in Teams to make it convenient to collaborate with your team on your plan, have conversations, and share files all in one place. You can see your team's tasks on the board and create buckets to group related tasks. Here's one called Catering. To add a task, select the plus sign, give it a name, add a due date, and assign it. In this example, we'll assign it to Enrico, who is in charge of catering. Enrico can then choose whether he wants to get notifications about assignments in email, on Teams, and on his mobile device. On the board, you can use Filter to narrow down what you see, use Group By to resort your tasks, drag tasks between buckets to change their status, and complete tasks using a Task Complete checkbox. Select a task to add more details. For a quick status, switch to Charts to visually see the status of tasks, progress of tasks in each bucket, and availability of team members. Use Schedule View to see where tasks fall on the calendar. You can also add this schedule to Outlook. Use My Tasks to see all tasks assigned to you across all your plans. Or turn on Assign to Me to see your planner tasks in Microsoft To Do.